Hello friends, how much fuel does an air conditioner use? Measurement shows that the air conditioner burns approximately 0.5 liters per hour, and this is almost 10% of the consumption of a 1.6 liters naturally aspirated engine on the highway at a speed of 19 km an hour. Against the background of the total consumption, the figure seems to be small, but many people forget that during operating, the air conditioning compressor eats up not only gasoline but also throttle response. Accordingly to the measurement of the magazine behind the wheel, the losses engine power is approximately 10%, and for the dynamic it's very important. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, but like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.